Leo was an astronaut. He loved exploring space. One day, he received an important mission. "Leo, you must find Planet Zeta," said the commander. "It disappeared from our space maps." Leo was excited. He put on his spacesuit and got into his spaceship, Stellar One. The engines roared, and soon he was flying through space. Stars twinkled around him like tiny lanterns. After many hours, Leo saw something strange. A large cloud of blue dust was floating in space. "Is Planet Zeta inside?" he wondered. He flew closer and entered the cloud. Inside, everything was quiet and dark. Suddenly, a bright light flashed. Leo's spaceship stopped moving. "What happened?" he asked. The spaceship's computer beeped. "Unknown energy detected. Systems offline." Leo looked out of the window. A small silver spaceship was floating nearby. It was unlike anything he had seen before. Then a voice spoke inside his helmet. "Welcome, traveler. You have found us." Leo gasped. "Who are you?" he asked. A figure appeared on his screen. It was a tall alien with blue skin and glowing eyes. "I am Xylo. We live on Planet Zeta. Our planet is hidden to protect it from danger." Leo understood. "That is why no one can find it. But why did you stop my spaceship?" Xylo smiled. "We needed to know if you were friendly. Now, we trust you." Leo felt honored. "Can I see your planet?" Xylo nodded. Suddenly, the blue dust disappeared, and Leo saw a beautiful planet below. It had tall silver buildings and rivers of glowing water. Flying vehicles moved silently in the sky. "Amazing," Leo said. He landed on the planet and stepped out. The air was fresh, and the ground was soft like a cloud. Xylo showed Leo around. "Our energy comes from the stars. We do not harm nature. We live in peace." Leo thought about Earth. "We can learn a lot from you." After a wonderful visit, it was time to leave. Xylo gave Leo a small glowing crystal. "This will help you find us again." Leo smiled. "Thank you, Xylo. I will return one day." As he flew back to Earth, Leo looked at the crystal. He had discovered a hidden world. Planet Zeta was not lost. It was simply waiting to be found.